Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the silent mode on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or iPhone 17, 17 Air, any of the new 17 on the latest iOS version. So let's get started. Now, essentially there's two different ways to do it. One simple way to do it is by looking at this action button right here. And if you have it configured correctly in your setting, where you go into your setting, action button, make sure if it's on any of these other settings, you want to move to one of the very first one, which is going to be silent mode. And with this on, basically, I can just press and hold onto this. And right here, as you can see here, it's in silent mode. So that's going to be a quick way to do it. And then to turn it off, which you also notice the icon here indicating silent mode, I can press and hold again. And now it's off, just like that. Now, another way to do it is if you weren't using this action button for that, maybe you're using it for something else, you can also come to your setting here. And then in your setting here, you're going to look for sounds and haptics. And up top here is the silent mode. So you can go ahead and click on it. As you can see, activated silent mode, which the icon indicates up here. And then to turn it off, you can do it from here within the settings itself. So those are two different ways to use a silent mode, either through the action button or through sounds and haptics. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.